Here you can see the question is how do you calculate the activation energy from Arrhenius equation by graphical method? Okay, these questions they may ask for 2 to 3 marks. Okay, so we'll see the solution. Okay, what is Arrhenius equation? If when we talk about Arrhenius equation, from Arrhenius equation we know that K is equal to A into e to the power minus EA upon RT. Okay, this is the Arrhenius equation, right? Okay, where K is the rate constant, A is a pre-exponential factor. Okay, EA is the activation energy, R is the gas constant, T is the temperature. Okay, now taking a log both sides, taking a natural log. Okay, log of both sides. So we can write a log of K. Here you can apply log of A, log of M into N. So log of M plus log of N, right? So ln K, here we can write ln K. Then K is equal to log of M into N. You apply means log of M plus log of N. So log of ln A, okay, plus ln e to the power minus EA by RT. Okay, am I clear? And further, if you solve, you can write ln K is equal to ln A log of M to the power N. What is that? M log N, right? So we can write minus EA upon RT. ln E is 1. Okay, so EA by RT. If you want to convert this natural log to the log base 10, okay, you have to multiply by 2.303, right? So write 2.303 log of K to the base 10 is equal to log of A to the base 10 into 2.303 minus EA upon RT. Yes or no? Now, if you see, solve this. On solving, you will get okay, divide by 2.303 on the LHS and RHS. So we'll get a log of K to the base 10 is equal to log of A to the base A minus EA upon 2.303, okay, R into 1 by T. Am I clear? Okay, so or just rearrange, you can write a log of K to the base 10 is equal to minus E upon 2.303 R into 1 upon T plus log of A to the base 10. So here you can see this is the graph of y is equal to mx plus c. So when you plot the graph of a log of k versus 1 by t, so graph will be like this. So you can see from the graph along the y-axis log of k is there, log of k is there, and along the x-axis 1 by t. Okay, so the slope is negative, right? So graph will go like this. Okay, this is the graph, and from slope, what is the slope? You can see this is a slope. Okay, minus EA upon 2.303 R. This is the slope. Okay, this is the slope here. Slope is equal to minus EA upon 2.303 R. Okay, this is the interceptor. That is log of A. This point is what? Log of A. Okay, so this is the graph. So if you plot the graph, okay, so we know that the slope is equal to what? Okay, here slope is equal to what? Minus EA upon 2.303 R. Okay, so we can, if you know the slope, so activation energy you can write okay, cross multiply slope into 2.303 into R is equal to EA minus EA, or EA is equal to what? EA is equal to 2.303 R into slope minus income. Okay, so in this way, this is the way to find out the activation energy using the Arrhenius by the graphical method. Okay. So here you can see one question is there. Calculate the energy of activation from Arrhenius equation at two different temperature. Okay, these questions may be asked for 3 marks. Okay, so we'll see the solution. Okay, from Arrhenius equation, what is Arrhenius equation? From Arrhenius equation, we know that rate constant K is equal to A into e to the power minus EA upon RT. Yes or no? So when the temperature is T1, let the rate constant is K1. When the temperature is T2, rate constant will be K2. Yes or no? So using this, in this Arrhenius equation, you can write K1 is equal to A into e to the power minus EA by RT. Okay, and K2 we can write K2 is equal to A into, this is T1 you can write. Instead of K, I have substituted K1. Instead of temperature T, we have substituted T1. Here, if you when the temperature is T2, okay, rate constant is K2, right? So K2 is equal to A into e to the power minus EA by RT. Yes or no? Now, if you take a natural log, okay, in these equations, okay, if you just convert into take the natural logs, we can write ln K, okay, 1 is equal to ln A minus EA by RT1. Similarly, from this we can write ln K2 is equal to ln A minus EA to the EA upon RT2, right? Just what I did, I have taken the natural log on the LHS and RHS. Okay, so let it be equation 1, let it be equation 2. Now subtract the equation 1 by 2. Okay, so on subtracting equation 1 from 2, on subtracting equation 1 from 2. Okay, so you can write here LHS subtract, so ln K 2 minus ln K1 is equal to this ln A minus ln A minus EA upon RT2 minus, in bracket you write this ln A minus EA by RT1. Okay, you know that log of M minus log of N is what? Log of M by N, right? So we can apply here ln K2 by K1 is equal to ln A minus EA by R into, just I am rearranging 1 by T2 minus into plus become minus ln A minus into minus become plus EA by R into 1 by T1. Now minus ln A and plus ln A get cancelled. Okay, just rearrange here. We write ln K2 by K1 is equal to this. I am writing first EA by R, okay, into 1 by T1 minus EA by R into 1 by T2. Now EA by R you can take common. Okay, so further we can write ln K2 by K1, you take the common EA by R. So what is remaining? 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Yes or no? Okay, so now you can convert this natural log to the base 10. Okay, so you want to convert this natural log to the base 10, you have to multiply by 2.303. Okay, so you can write here 2.303 log of K2 by K1 is equal to EA by R. Take the LCM T1 and T2. LCM is what? T1, T2. T1 T2 divided by T1 get cancelled, so you'll get T2 into 1, T2 minus T1 T2 divided by T2, you'll get T2 cancel, so you'll get T1 into 1, so T1. Am I clear? Now this 2.303 you move to the right hand side, so finally we write a log of K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R. 2.303 R into whole into T2 minus T1 upon T1 into T2. Okay, this is the final expression. Okay. So they may ask you this derivation, or if you are using this equation, we can solve, okay, and we can get the activation energy. So this question they may ask for 3 marks, or they may ask you numerical based on this. Okay, so this is about Arrhenius equation. So here you can see one numerical is there based on Arrhenius equation. The rate constant of a first order reaction becomes 5 times when the temperature is raised from 350 Kelvin to 400 Kelvin. Calculate the activation energy of the reaction. Okay, so this is the questions. So they're asking the activation energy, right? Okay, you know the from Arrhenius equation, what do you know? Log of K2 by K1 is equal to A by 2.303 R whole into T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. Yes or no? Just now we did this questions. Now they're telling the rate constant become 5 times when the temperature is raised from 350 to 400. So first T1 is given how much? 350 Kelvin. Let the rate constant K1 is K. Okay. So when the temperature changes to 400 Kelvin, so rate constant K2 becomes what? 5 times of this. Okay, 5K. So on substituting this value, we can write a log of 5K upon K is equal to EA upon 2.303 R whole into T2. T2 is how much? 400 minus T1 350 upon 400 into 350. Yes or no? So here this get cancelled. Log 5 value approximately you can take 0.7, or exact value is log 5 value how much? Exactly it is 0.6990. Okay, so log 5 0.6990 if you substitute, okay, or you solve this E upon 2.303 R. Okay, 400 minus 350 is what? 50 by 400 into 350, right? Once you solve this, okay, so here you can write 5 ones are 5 8s, right? 0 cancel. So activation 0.6990 to cross multiply into 2.303 into R. R is a gas constant. Okay, value of R is 8.314 into 8 into 350. Okay, is equal to EA. Am I clear? So we can write here further you can write here. If you solve this value, you'll get EA is equal to 0.6990 into 2.303 into R value is what? 8.314. You can take 8.314 into if you multiply 5 8s are 40, 0 already is there. The balance is 4, 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28. Okay, upon solving, we'll get the value of EA 37474. Okay, 37,000. Okay, 474. 474.5. Okay, joule per mole. If you want to write in kilomole, so you can write, if you divide by 1000, you get in kilomole, right? 37.47. Okay, 37.47 kilojoule per mole. This is the activation energy. Am I clear? Okay. Here another numerical you can see. The first order rate constant for the decomposition of methyl iodide at 600 Kelvin is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse. Its activation energy is 209 kilojoule per mole. Calculate the rate constant of the reaction at 700 Kelvin. Okay, what is given? You will see. Temperature T1 is given. First you write the given condition. Okay, then see solution. First temperature is how much? Temperature is 600 Kelvin, right? Okay, and the rate constant K1 is given. K1 how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse. Okay, and activation energy is also given. Activation energy EA is what? 209 kilojoule per mole. Calculate the rate constant of the reaction at 700 Kelvin. Okay, when the temperature changes to 700 Kelvin, they're asking what is the rate constant, what is the K2 value. Okay, so easy to solve. As you know, the from Arrhenius equation, okay, so we know that the log of K2 upon K1, okay, is equal to EA upon 2.303 R whole into T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. Yes or no? This is the derived Arrhenius equation for rate constant at two different temperature. Okay, now substitute the values what are given. So we can write log of K2. They're asking K1 is given how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to EA. Activation energy how much is given? 209 kilojoule, means 209 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, joule per mole it will come upon 2.303. 2.303 R value you can take 8.314 into T2 is what? T2 is 700 minus T1 600 upon 700 into 600. Am I clear? You have to just solve this. Okay, so here log of K2 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to 209 into 10 to the power 3 into 700 into 700 minus 600 will get 100 upon 2.303 to 8.314 into 7 4 ja 7 6 ja 42 1 2 3 4 into 10 to the power 4 will come. Okay, so 10 to the power 3 and 140 is there, it cancel, right? And if you solve this further, you'll get log of K2 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to, you will get on the RHS, if you solve, you will get 2.5989. 2.5989. 5989. 5989. Okay, now this is a, if you take, you have to solve this, you have to use the anti-log table. Okay, taking anti-log both side, so you can write K2 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to anti-log of 2.5989. Using the anti-log table, if you solve, you will get this value as 3.97 into 10 to the power 2. 3.97 into 10 to the power 2 is equal to what? K2 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now K2 we can write. Okay, so if you solve this further, K2 is equal to 3.97 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, if you solve completely, this is a plus 2, sorry. Okay, so K2 final value you will get a 6.352 into 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse. Okay, so this type of numericals also they may ask for 3 marks. Okay, so this type of numericals they may ask you. Okay, so this there are these two numericals I have solved based on the Arrhenius equation. Okay, so if you like my video, so please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.